headed out on his 2011 limited entry hunt. We haven't got to do a whole lot of scouting this year because of work and stuff. So we're kind of solo hunting it. We're gonna spend 2 days before the hunt starts here scouting and hopefully find the big one. Let's load up and go, huh?
Yeah. Let's get her done.
Long time needed.
18 years.
Dad's so excited he's about to pee his pants.
Okay, I will. Out to the Mason-Dixon, working, hunting and fishing. This is the same red I seen them two bulls fight. I was gassing up the other day.
We found the big one. Out like that, all the way up. He's a shooter.
Yeah.
This is our first scouting day.
We already found one that's
Yeah.
a dandy.
We'd have done filled our tag already.
He's a toad, so he's got unreal well tails. His fours are 20 plus. His thirds are just even with his fours, and his fronts are 16 to 18 plus. He's unreal. So we're gonna come back 2 more days, and we're gonna kill that son of a bitch.
We'll be back in the morning.
Alright, it's opening morning. Dad's elk hunt. He is about ready to lose it. He can't even talk right now, so we're getting ready to go. Father-in-law Lynn, he come out to go with us, and here's Sunshine. Oh, he forgot his shit papers.
What I do with my? Do we need my rangefinder?
Yeah, I'd grab it.
What'd you do with it? Reload. Did he go down? No, he's still there. Reload. Get set up. He's going down. He's going down. Is he going down? Yep. Yeah. Are you sure I got him? Yeah.
He's going.
He's going down.
He's done.
He's down.
He's down! Whoa! Whoa! Yeah! You son of a bitch! Yeah! Yeah! You got it! Yeah! Yeah!
Get your gun on him. He's up. He's got his head up. He's got his head up. Hit him again. Hit him again.
I can't see him.
Stand up. Stand up.
Yeah, I see him.
He's down. Hit him again. That got him.
Yeah! Good job, Dad! Whoa!
He's still got his head up. Oh, holy piss.
Is that him right there?
What do you think, Dad?
What do you think? Whoa!
Oh, frick.
What do you think, Dad?
18 years.
18 years.
I couldn't believe it, man. Oh God, be a big bastard, please, because I didn't look. I didn't look at him.
We got it. You got him, Dad.
Good job. Good job. Good job. You got him. Good job. What time is it? What time is it?
Let's go look at him.
Whoa! Oh,
He dead.
it worked out awesome. Whoa! What a hike. Oh, that was bad. That was cool as hell. I couldn't get a good shot at first. See that tree stump in the way right there?
Yep.
And you kept saying he's broadside. I couldn't see him.
Yeah, you got him.
How far? About 300?
No, shit, that's 200 yards.
116 yards.
116 yards.
116 yards, huh? Thank you, buddy.
You bet.
Oh, God. Thanks for the help, man.
Let's go look at him, Dad.
Shit. I don't want to go look at him. Too scared to. That morning. Me and Rim came out 2 days before and scouted. This is the one we found. So, all right. I don't want to go look at him. You go look at him.
Let's go. Let's go. Holy crap, Dad.
Huh?
Oh my gosh.
That's him, huh?
That's him. Holy smokes.
Pretty bull, huh?
Oh man. Look at
Almost
this
a
force.
7.
Huh?
Horse long, ain't they?
Get up there, he's dead.
Sure. Popped his butt good.
Holy smokes, Dad. Look at that. Get in there. Woo!
Ooh, look how heavy.
Look how heavy he is.
Popped him right there.
Holy cow.
Oh, baby. Check that out, would you? That's the one we've been seeing, ain't it, Rim? That's
Yeah! Yeah! Woo!
oh, he's
Holy crap! Look at that thing, Dad.
badass.
Woo! Good job. Good job. Holy crap. Get in here, Lan.
He's good 22.
Oh.
Look at that 4. He was gonna be a 7, wasn't he?
Oh, man. Oh. Opening morning, baby. We just smoked a dandy
Dandy.
bull. Oh, he's a
Oh.
toad. He's massive as all get out. Big well tails, big fourths, huge thirds, big seconds. Man,
He's
I don't think we could have done any better. Yeah, good job. Good job.
Oh, thanks, Lynn.
Go. Oh, that was cool.
Rolly?
Congrats, Dad. Thanks, buddy. Thanks for fighting for us, letting us be able to come out and go hunt while you're in Afghanistan. Wish you were here, bud. And for you, buddy. Oh, good job, dude.
Oh, thank the Lord for this. Give me good eating. Man, he's bad looking, ain't he?
Nice.
Oh,
Woo!
oh, thank God. That is a bad bull there.
That's a dandy. Dad, he's big.
He's big, ain't he? What do you think, 350?
Oh, he's yeah, oh yeah.
You ought to go that.
Yeah.
Turn broadside rim, says shoot him, shoot him. And I'm going, hey, I can't see him, man.
Pick him up, turn him sideways.
Yeah, right.
Man.
I can't pick it up. He's
That's
a big
good
old
right
boy.
there. Right there.
Holy cow. He's the one we've been watching. He's got to be, I don't know, I'm going to say 350 at least.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my Lord.
Where in the world is Colorado Buck? He's right here. $364. I knew he was over 350. Woohoo! 364. Damn. 364 and a quarter. That's a good bull, Dad.
Okay.
364. Heck yeah. Good job. Good job.